Welcome back to my channel. So this video is more of a follow-up to a previous video. I had done an unboxing of some skincare and a device from Elevatione. I'm still sure I'm not saying that right. And I have tried it for about a month now. And I have some thoughts on it, so I'm going to share that. And of course, if you decide you like these products, I do have the link below as well. The first thing we're going to talk about is this right here. This is the Age Beautifully Boosting Drops. Now, when I first used this, I used way too much because I'm used to some of my other serums, and you really don't need but like maybe 2 or 3 drops of this on your face, and then you put your night cream, night face mask, whatever it is you use in the evening, you put with this. And I really like the way it felt. It felt really smooth and creamy. Creamy is I used loosely because it's not cream. It's kind of like it's a serum. It says it's a serum. Does it say it's a serum? Anyways, it's a serum. So you put it on, you rub it in, and that's pretty much it to that. And then there was this face serum right here. This is another one of those things that I used way too much of the first time I used it, but I am actually going to put that on my hand so you can see what it looks like. But I used this for every morning. This was a morning product. So this is what the serum looked like. You see that right here? It's a very gel texture, it's very light, it absorbs really good, and it makes your skin feel very smooth. So I did really enjoy it. There's still quite a bit left because I did use this over, I would say, almost a month and a half I used these products. So that was that. Really enjoy this. And then there is the moisturizer, which has SPF 50 in it, and I found that I only really needed 2 pumps of this. So it was in the mornings I would put a pump of this, 2 pumps of this. Still currently using it because there's quite a bit in it. And I'll put that here, you can see it. This is just a regular cream, nothing weird about the texture. You see that right there. Blends really beautifully on top of the other serum and feels great. And I did love the fact that it has SPF 50 because it helps prevent wrinkles and fine lines and age spots. So that's another reason you should always wear SPF. A lot of people are like, well, I don't burn. Well, it doesn't matter if you burn or not. You're still going to age. And if you want to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines and age spots as you age, you want to make sure that you are putting SPF on your skin because it will help. So that was the skincare that I was using. And then there was the acupuncture face sculpting device here. Now I was kind of unsure about it. Still feel like I should probably keep using it. I'm not sure that it really contoured my face much. I feel like it did a little bit. I do feel like it did a little bit right here. But I feel like it mostly toned my skin. I feel like it definitely did that. I will show you pictures of when I started and when I finished using this before the video, so you can see the difference, and you let me know if you think you can see a little difference in the toning. I think that when it says face sculpting, it's really talking about toning more so than altering the look of your face, if that makes sense. But it was based on acupuncture, and I can tell you for sure that like the first few days I used it, I definitely felt that there were things being released in my face, and I felt a little bit of drainage, which I thought was interesting. So it definitely did do that, and I also feel like it definitely helped de-stress. So I can say it did those things for sure, because I definitely felt more relaxed. And I'm not gonna lie, when you use this thing, it does relax you because it's, you know, it's like a facial massage, and who doesn't want a facial massage? It feels great. Other than that, I can't say that like one product did more than the other because I used them both together, but I definitely feel like it did improve the texture of my skin. It did definitely tone my skin, and it hasn't broke me out any. I mean, I have a few light scars on my face, but they're healing nicely, and you know, everything worked great for me. I can't really complain. So yeah, that is pretty much it on my final thoughts of this product. I do hope you guys check it out because it really is a great product, and I have nothing else to say about it because it was really good, and that's my honest opinion. So if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. If you would like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment below and let me know your thoughts on this product. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.